Hello everyone! I thought I'd come today and kind of show you what I've been up to. I used a Somerset Studio Magazine and made a traveler's notebook. And I'll just show you the front and the back. I think I need a little bit more light from a different direction. Hopefully that helps, I don't know. I'm going to flip this light a little bit. Hopefully that helps. Maybe I'm getting shadow now. Anyway, I'm going to get into it. I just made this last night, and all the images in here are from Somerset Studio. So I created a pocket here, and I created a tag with journaling on the back. Just sets right into the pocket right there, like that. And then I added some extra images in this pocket. This is actually like a traveler's notebook type. I've got an elastic in the center. So let's get started. So I've got some tea-dyed paper, some lined paper. This is called masking paper. I love the sound of it. I don't know if I'm in close enough. Let's get in a little bit closer. I have to try and stay in frame. So on this side I made this little, it's kind of a little booklet with my tea-dyed papers. I stitched down the middle, and I stitched all the way around. So that's a good spot for journaling. A blank page just for journaling. Here's one of the images that I created a pocket for, and used this image. And journaling on the back. Use some of the paper that comes in Somerset Studio for the tab. There's that one, and I used a doily. I used some tracing paper, just some white lined paper with holes in it. More of my tea stain paper. One of the images I stitched all the way around. More journaling. More imagery. And this, they talked about art stamps, and I thought that was really unique, and I wanted to add that. I have to kind of go on an angle so it doesn't flash out on you. More journaling. Here's a pocket I made, and I got a guest check, a library card, and a coat check. More images. This is about fiber art. That's the center of my book. Yeah, it's alterations. Here I made a little pocket, or an envelope I mean, from one of the images, and I created this with journaling on the back. And in here I created another pocket, and I used a to-do list and a weekly list. This wasn't from the magazine at all, but I thought the colors went well. More of the tea stain paper, and this just lifts up, and I've stapled it across the top. More tea-dyed paper. Here is Journaling Works and Whimsies by Joanne Sharp, and this is another one of those little journal books that I created, and I stitched down the middle and added more tea-stained paper. Tea-dyed paper again, and more line paper, some more sketch paper, another image, more images. This I just sort of added on with a paper clip. It's stitched on both sides all the way around for journaling, extra place for journaling. A white page for sketches or journaling, and more of that masking paper, some line paper, some tea stain paper, some more images, and my back page inside cover, and that's it. Now I'm going to talk to you guys. If you've come this far in the video, I wanted to let you know that a while back I did a video on magazine legalities, and we kind of knew where we stood. However, I was watching, I don't know, I was just watching something, and you know, on the side when you're watching or you're coming to a video and you see the stuff on the side, I saw something that said Somerset Life, Daphne's Diary, sold notebooks. And I thought, what? So I went to that video. I could not believe my eyes that there's actually people out there taking images and just going ahead and selling their journals. Like I just made one. I mean, really. So, because I talked to you before, someone had questioned me when we were doing a new way of using magazine images, because we were scanning them, and I emailed Daphne's Diary and I emailed Stampington in regards to Somerset Studio or whatever, and I got emails back saying you could do what you wanted, but you could not sell anything. It would have to be for personal use, and I was happy about that. So when I saw this video, I did a search on YouTube for especially Daphne's Diary and also Somerset Life. I cannot believe, especially Daphne's Diary, how many YouTubers are selling these types of things using the magazines. I couldn't believe it. So I emailed Stampington and Daphne's Diary and let them know about the video that I had seen. And I got an email back from a social media accounts manager, which is basically, I think, who wrote me last time. She's saying her name is Sarah Donnaworth from Stampington.com. Hello, Deb. Thank you for reaching out with your concern. I have viewed the video and was not able to find any copyright violation. What? What? We do encourage our artists to recycle our magazines into their craft projects, and she has credited us as the makers of the magazine. We truly appreciate your concern, but have opted to not take any additional action at this time. OMG. I cannot believe this. Now, I'm going to go to my Somerset Studio. This was published, this is an old one from in 2013. Oh, I'm in too close. Hang on, I'm going to go out a little wee bit. It was published in 2013. And I've read in this magazine, Stampington and Company and Somerset Studio are registered trademarks. Product names referred to in Somerset Studio are trademarks or registered trademarks of the particular companies. The names are used in editorial fashion only to the benefit of the trademark owner. But it goes on to say, copyright, Stampington and Company, LLC, all rights reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced without written permission from the publisher. The artwork contained in this issue is solely for personal use. It is meant for inspirational purposes only. That's what it states in my magazine. Okay? So, the information I got from Stampington on February 16th, 2018 is saying that this woman who's selling her traveler's notebooks using their magazine is okay. They're not in any copyright violation. Well, I disagree with that. I do. So I went to Daphne's Diary now because that's the big one. If you search in YouTube for notebooks or Daphne's Diary notebooks, oh my gosh, there are so many people selling them. It's amazing. I cannot believe it. I can't believe I fell upon this. In here, it says, articles, images, and photos published in this magazine may not be copied, reproduced, published, or otherwise placed in the public domain in any format without written permission from Daphne's Diary. So what does that tell you? I don't think you can copy this magazine. I don't think you can make it. I don't think you can make one of these without copyright infringement. But I've also emailed Daphne's Diary. It takes a while for them to get back to me, as they did last time. I cannot believe that this person said from Stampington and Company, and she did not find any copyright violation. Really? So I've emailed her back, and I've I didn't print it off, sorry. I basically said, I would love to make these too, but I got an email from so-and-so back in November 2017 saying it was okay for personal use, for your own personal use. So now I'm confused. You're saying there's no copyright violation when a person uses these images? I need to know which one is correct. The first email I got or yours? I haven't heard back yet. So, hence why I made this. Because I was upset. Really upset. After receiving this. Because this basically tells me I can sell this. She's saying that we encourage our artists to recycle our magazines into their craft projects. I've already said this was Somerset Studio Magazine, so I'm crediting them. Does that give me the right to sell this now? I don't agree with that. I challenge you, go Google, or not Google, search YouTube for Daphne's Diary, especially Daphne's Diary notebook. You will not believe the ones that are marked sold. As fast as they can make them, they're sold. That's the truth. I can't believe it's happening. I cannot believe it's actually happening. What are your thoughts? Oh my God. So anyway, this is going to be a giveaway. I'm not sure when. I'm going to do a separate video for that. Or, you know what? If you've listened to my video all the way to now, then if you want to enter my giveaway, do it under this video. Just say, yes, please. If you say yes, please, then I know that you want to be entered. And for those that don't watch to the end, I know a lot of people don't watch to the end. They don't watch the whole way through. It's only 4 minutes of my videos maybe get watched. I'm shocked at that when I put in so much time. But anyway, if you've watched to the end, just say, yes, please. That's all I ask. If you don't say yes, please, then you're not entered. Okay? So I'll leave it at that. Don't forget to search YouTube. Talk to you later. Bye now.